Hello friends, how are you? In this video you'll learn how to place a logo on your shirt. Let's start. First, select pixels of the logo. Press Ctrl plus X for cut. Now go to Filter, open Vanishing Point. Select the area of where you place the logo. Press Ctrl plus V for paste the image. Click on OK. Select Image and go to Blending Options. Change Blend Mode Normal to Multiply. Now drag like this. When you've done it, click on OK. It looks awesome. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel and tell me the title of the next video. Thanks.